Assalamu alaikum, pyare Huzoor.
Waalaikum assalam.
My name is Shafia Kamran, and my question is, how can we stay true to our faith whilst others may have worldly beliefs and one is afraid to express his or her own ideas due to the fear of being classified as rude or backward?
So, first thing is that you remove your inferiority complex, right? If you believe, if you think that your religion is true religion and it is the last of the religions and it is the final religion and it contains all the good teachings which were revealed to the previous prophets, right? Then there should not be any complex. Secondly, those people who are worldly people, who do not want to listen to you with regards to religious matters, why should you force them to listen to you? Right? Find out some good friends, talk to them in a light mood, and when you think that they are ready to listen about God, about religion, about faith, then you can talk to them that what is the true teaching of Islam. And never say just outrightly that Islam is the supreme religion and is better than any other religion. Although we can prove the supremacy of Islam on all other religions, but no need to get other people's annoyed by saying this thing directly, right? So when they come to listen to you, they talk to you about religion, then you can show them some proofs. Then what is religion? What is God? What do you believe? What is your belief with regards to Allah Ta'ala? And what do you have other beliefs with regards to prophets? And there are quite a number of other commandments. If you read in the Holy Quran, you would know. Then slowly, with wisdom and with amicable discussion, you can tell them. So then they will listen to you. Otherwise, if you are just blunt, they will obviously say you are rude and backward. Okay? Don't try to be blunt. Be wise. Right? Assalamu alaikum.